What are you doing, Braxton? Huh? Are you playing? Be careful. Hold on tight. Don't let go. Don't fall back. It'll hurt. Why don't you get one of those pillows off the chair over there, Trevor? Or a couple of them. Are you playing toys? You'll find a square.
I'd rather this be an ottoman.
What's wrong, Chloe?
I'd rather this be an ottoman.
Oh yeah? Look at me. Show me your eye patch. Woohoo! Arr. There you go.
Arr.
Hi, Braxton.
I cannot see my
What can you do?
I cannot see my face.
I'm videotaping, sis. Oh, say hi. Hi.
That wouldn't have been very nice.
What? Show me.
I almost went.
All the way over? Say hi. Braxton, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. You do it.
How did you do that?
Whoa.
Told you that's what would happen.
That was my fault. He was trying to wave hi. Can you say bye-bye, camera? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, camera. Hey!